Did you know that some of the common problems high school students face when learning mathematics include mathematics anxiety, attention difficulties, lack of patience, computational weaknesses? Mathematics is built on sequential learning, so if a student doesn't fully understand a previous concept, they may struggle with newer concepts. At the Pancha Tattva, we help you solve a mathematics problem by understanding what the problem is asking. Once we understand the problem, the next step is to create a plan. We also teach the why part. The underlying logic behind mathematics, formulas, and processes is always important. Here are some of the benefits that you would receive at the Pancha Tattva. Online mathematics coaching with personalized attention, learn from the comfort of your home, concepts simplified for you, get rid of mathematics anxiety, improve your computational strength, and much more. Hi, I'm Arundhati from the Pancha Tattva. Connect with us at the phone number provided and see the positive impact in your life. We believe that every student is unique and has some potential that can be evolved and improved with efforts of adequate coaching. If you are someone who would like to improve your scores in mathematics, get rid of mathematics anxiety, understand concepts in a simplified manner, and learn from the comfort of your home, you have reached the right place. Enroll now for your mathematics coaching course at the Pancha Tattva. I look forward to meeting you soon. Thank you.